In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through how my wife and I are able to stay at the best hotels and fly business class on our vacations while keeping our hard-earned money in our pocket, and how you can do it too. Welcome to our channel where we share our tips to live a life of luxury for less. As always, I'm going to remove all of the complexity to share with you our travel tips and how to actually do it with step-by-step recordings on the website. In this video, you'll learn what are the benefits to you, how we use the Chase Trifecta, what's the easiest way for you to get started. I'll also go into a step-by-step tutorial for how you can do it, tips for what worked and what didn't work for us. Make sure to stick around for the end of the video where I show you step-by-step on how you can use this strategy to unlock cheap and free luxury travel for yourself. Chase offers a whole bunch of cards, but as promised, I'm going to keep it simple for you. You're going to just go ahead and get these 3 cards. First is the Chase Freedom Unlimited, then the Chase Freedom Flex, then lastly the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now let's go into the benefits of the cards. You're going to get some sign-up bonuses when you sign up for the cards. With the Freedom Unlimited, you'll get 20,000 points for signing up after your first $500 in spend. For the Freedom Flex, you'll also get another 20,000 for signing up. And with the Chase Reserve, you'll get a 60,000 bonus for signing up. This can be redeemed for anything between $2,000 to $10,000 plus in travel, which easily makes up for the annual fee that comes with the Reserve. The best part about this is just by using these cards, you can earn 2.25 to 10% cashback rewards just for living the life that you currently live that can then be used to redeem for luxury travel. Lastly, with the Trifecta setup, you'll get access to Chase's travel portal, which is the most user-friendly way to redeem your points. Stick around and I'll show you step-by-steps later on how to do it. Now let's go into the playbook of how my wife and I use the Chase Trifecta card by card. So every month we're going to use the 5% bonus on the Freedom Flex. Right now for this quarter it's groceries and Target, for example. Then we're going to use the Chase Sapphire Reserve for 3% back on restaurants. For anything travel related, we're going to use a reserve as well, which gives you 3% back. This includes all of our travel hacking taxes that we pay when we travel. With the Freedom Unlimited, we use it for drugstore purchases, which give us 3% back. And lastly, with the Freedom Unlimited, we use it for everything else, such as bills, etc., which gives us 1.5% back. Now let's go over the easiest way for you to get started. It's important to make an order of operations and a plan. You're going to first then get the Sapphire Reserve and spend $4,000 on it in the first 3 months. After you do that, you qualify for the bonus points. Then you're going to get the Freedom Unlimited and spend $500 in the first 3 months. Lastly, you'll get the Freedom Flex and spend $500 in the first 3 months. After you do all of that, you should then have all 3 cards and all of the sign-up bonuses setting you up to reach your goal. Let's go ahead and go into how you can do it. The first step is for you to apply. Then I'm going to walk you through how you can quickly combine your points across the different cards. Then we're going to go into the Chase Travel Portal to show you how you can spend the points on your vacation goals. Step 1, I've included my referral link to all of the credit cards in the description below. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see that you land on a page that looks like this depending on which card you're applying for. Step 2, you'll log into your Chase Ultimate Rewards portal and then you'll see this screen. You can go ahead and click the drop-down menu. You'll see your cards, and then at the bottom of here you'll see the option to combine points. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a screen with all of your Chase credit cards listed out. You're going to go ahead and transfer all of your credit card points from the cards that aren't Chase Sapphire Reserve over to the card that's Chase Sapphire Reserve. I'll start by transferring the Chase Freedom Unlimited over to the Chase Sapphire Reserve here by clicking this. Go ahead and scroll down and click Next. You should now see this screen. Go ahead and select how many points you want to transfer. In this case, I want to transfer everything. Click Review. It will show you a confirmation page. Review it, make sure everything looks good, then go ahead and click Submit. Now, all of your points have been transferred over to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Step 3, let's go into how you can easily spend your points on travel. You'll go back to your homepage, click on the navigation menu. Scroll down, you'll see a travel tab. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now be in the travel portal. You can go ahead and decide if you want to book a hotel or a flight. It's as simple as clicking into it and then searching for where you want to go to. Now we can use this easy experience to go ahead and book wherever we want to go. Let's say I have a trip and I want to go to Cancun, Mexico. Go ahead and select the dates and click search. It'll then show me all of the results. And then I can go ahead and start filtering. I've stayed at a hotel there before called the Ziva, and I really liked it. Let's filter for that. Now you can see the power of the points. Instead of me having to pay $4,527 outright to book the rooms, I can get it for 279,701 points plus $331, which comes out to a little over $3,000. You can see that these points allow you to stretch your hard-earned dollars very far. Here are some tips for your success. First, remember the 524 rule. You shouldn't have opened 5 or more cards within the last 24-month period, whether it's Chase cards or not. Second, maximize your point earning by all of the tips that I gave you previously on what card to spend on what items. Lastly, maximize your redemptions by using the Chase portal to book your travel, which stretches your dollars a lot further. That's how we use the Chase Trifecta. Let us know in the comments below if this is something you want to try or how it worked out for you. We love helping you reach all of your travel goals while keeping your hard-earned money in your pocket. If this video helped you, click subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos and travel adventures. Thanks again for watching and happy travels.